Good morning, Xander. What are we doing?
We found a friend. Where's this? Probably where he belongs.
So we're working on Aaron's convertible top. We're replacing the rams and all the lines.
Yeah. Anyways, if you guys
and the
didn't see,
motor.
we found a mouse.
Yeah. And we got a little bit of cleaning out to do back here to get rid of more remnants of it. Ooh, wow. That's a whole lot of sand. Do you see that? Wow. I mean, that's... Wow.
Grab a shot back.
Yeah, so while Xander does that, we're going to get back to the top. Good to see you, Aaron.
Alright guys, so I have the convertible top motor here, and basically it has two of these triangle shaped ones, the pyramid ones, and two of these which the bolt go through. The one that was in the car, the bolts go through it on these sides, as you can see, and then the two locator ones are in the rear. Or actually no, this is three. That was the locator one. This one came with both of them on the side, so we have to pop them out and move them to their correct locations. So I got to take the pyramid one that was down there, put it here, and then this one which was in there, put it down in the hole right there. That's what we're currently doing.
What are we doing?
Playing with the convertible top. So it's all in, it's bolted down.
Yep.
And then
Lines are done and ran. New brain dead, I completely forgot. New rams. Everything's in, lines are done. So now we're just gonna bleed it.
and I'm assuming I have this wired correctly, because the old pump, it was like, they're all black wires, and then this one actually came with some sort of connector that I had to cut off. But I'm assuming red goes to red and yellow goes to yellow, so that's what I did.
Okay, so let me... All right, so tighten. So it'll build a little bit of pressure.
I have no idea which way it's
Okay. Now let's loosen her up.
I think the switch is dead. It's doing the same thing.
Yep. So we can't until we get a switch in. Okay, so I'll put a post-it note on it that this is tight.
I don't really need to post it.
So it's always good to leave reminders for yourself so you remember. But on that note, what do we say?
Bye.